Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a cell night gray. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we have 19-inch powder coated black wheels. Tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB text interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, power windows, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and steering wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 21,103 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.